Hey y'all, it's your girl Kyla. If you didn't know, then you know. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a return subscriber, hey bestie. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and become one of the besties. So y'all, it is like, if y'all watched my last video, my get rid of me for the first day of school video, then y'all know I don't have to be at school until like 10:50ish, and it's 9:37 right now. I did get up this morning and went and took pictures because I wanted to take pictures of my senior outfit, like why not? So I did get up this morning and went to take pictures, and I came right back home and got on my bed, and I just been really sitting chilling, and that's really what I've been doing. So yeah, and I did take my sweater off, but I'm gonna put my sweater back on and shit, but that's nonetheless. But yeah, I'm gonna re-wet my hair. I did come with my cycle yesterday, so like I just been chilling, and then on top of that, I'm low-key sick. I'm not really sick, but yesterday morning when I woke up, my my throat and my nose was like very stopped up. So yeah, and then when I went like yesterday, not gonna lie, like last night, my throat started back hurting. Yeah, I did not put no makeup on today. I just filled in my eyebrows a little bit. We're going with the no makeup today. Now tomorrow, that's a different story because I'm not taking pictures for the rest of this week, not to top 10. If I take pictures, they just gonna be like mirror pics and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not taking pictures for the rest of this week, but I will be doing my makeup tomorrow. I just did not feel like, y'all, I woke up, I barely got sleep last night. Throat was hurting, throat was hurting. I just could not get right. Nose stopped. I just couldn't get right. So I barely got sleep. So like when it was time for me to get up to actually have time to do my makeup and all that shit, I didn't feel like doing it. I'm gonna get to school at like 9:40 something. So yeah, and I'm gonna be hot, y'all, because I got two shirts on. Like I literally have this collar shirt on, and then I got my shirt is a sweater. I'm gonna be hot. Like I already know because I was hot earlier before I went to pictures. That's what's crazier. I'm just hoping my lashes don't fuck up because my eye was watering bad. I'm being real, y'all. I'm probably not leaving the house until like 10:20ish. Okay, guys, so I don't wet my hair. I'm gonna show y'all the fit or whatever because I almost forgot because I'm gonna leave the house because I did a couple of TikToks, so I'm low-key running behind schedule right now. So this is my shirt I made. Well, me and my mama double team making my senior outfit. It got the senior year class of 2026. Then we have the a brat face. I got the black, red, and white dunks on. I made the skirt. The skirt got senior class of 2026 or whatever. Yeah, it's nothing on the back of the shirt, and I just paired it with this collar shirt that I already had, and I just got my my cross necklace on, all of my jewelry from the first day, and then this the only new thing I got on, my Apple Watch, which we gonna cover that up, and then this, and then I got practice after I get out of school, so I'm gonna take my wig band and take me a hair tie. I can tie my hair up. That's that. Good morning, y'all. I look crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but lashes low-key look a mess. I'm gonna add one to my corner right there because that just look beautiful. But good morning, y'all. I just woke up at 8:30. It's 8:43. I'm gonna do my makeup. I know my hair look a mess, y'all. I just took my scarf off or whatever. So of course I gotta fix my hair. But I need to go ahead and fix my edges and stuff. I can go ahead and fix that now. But I'm not even tired for real, y'all. I'm not tired. I just don't want to get up. Like, I just don't want to go to school. Because I know I'm starting work in one of my classes today. So... and since I know I'm starting... I cannot talk, bro. My voice been gone. Since I know I'm starting work in one of my classes, I just know I don't want to go, like, at all. Oh yeah, I fixed that lash a little bit. I only put one right there. I'm probably gonna put another one. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face for me to do my makeup because it's almost 9 o'clock and I gotta leave the house at 10 because I gotta go by Walmart and I still wanna do, I know I'm probably still gonna wanna do some TikToks before I leave the house. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, I did my makeup. I got this lip stuff sitting on my lips while I get ready and stuff. Well, while I put my clothes on and stuff. But as y'all can tell, I did my makeup. Very tea-ish. It is 9:16 right now, so I still got a minute. But after I get done putting my clothes on, I do have to, I still gotta put my jewelry on. And I still gotta pack my lunchbox. And then I should be ready to leave the house. Well, I'm gonna do a couple, like 2 TikToks and a 2 picture and take a body picture and go in the mirror in my bathroom and take some pictures. But I'm gonna get dressed, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I had to turn the camera off for a reason. But and then this my shirt, but before I put it on, I'm gonna spray some deodorant on. And then put this on. Then go in with my roll-on deodorant. Put that on. Then go in with these. I'm putting these low cut, like real ankle, like low cut socks on. And then, cause I'm gonna put some ankle bracelets on. So, yeah. I do. This necklace. Okay, y'all, so we're almost done putting on jewelry. Now, my mama bought me this bracelet when she went out of town, and it's the Capricorn bracelet. And then, no, this the Capricorn bracelet. This one is my birthstone bracelet. So my birthday, basically. So this is what we putting on. So we got both of these bracelets on because since I'm wearing blue, as y'all can tell, yeah. And I got my Apple Watch. And I'm finna step back and show y'all the fit. I'm finna move y'all back, then show y'all the fit. So, this jersey is from City Trends. This is from, I don't know, it's a Steve Man purse. Bracelet, don't know. I told y'all what they are though. Apple Watch, don't know. Bracelet, don't know. Everly Jewels, don't know. Everly Jewels, do not know. I don't remember. Ankle bracelets. Y'all can't even see this one. Ankle bracelet. Ankle bracelet. Sheen. Dunks. Hibbies. Tank top, probably Walmart. Jersey, City Trends. Shorts. I think they either from Sheen or they from Temu. And that's it. I'm gonna give y'all a finished look after I go wet my hair real quick and brush it out, and I'll be back. Y'all, this is the finished look. T. I'm finna go take some mirror pics because it's really 9:42, and I'm finna just throw some shit in my lunchbox too, y'all, because I gotta go. Hey y'all, so I forgot to film yesterday and show my outfit yesterday. So I'm finna just show y'all a picture of it because I low-key forgot. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, I low-key forgot. My makeup was so tea yesterday. Then here go a full body outfit. It was some chill, and today I go even chiller. So I'm gonna show y'all that. We have this shirt from City Trends, and then these pants from Sheen. They got a little rip in it, or whatever. And then I ain't got my shoes out the closet, so I don't even know what to tell y'all about shoes right now. Then we got my custom name necklace, my cross, my bracelet, my Capricorn bracelet, this bracelet, my ring from Everly Jewels, and wherever this ring from, and then my purse from City Trends, and I'll show y'all that in a minute. And I gotta put some socks on. Yeah, it's so early, bro. It's literally 9:25. Oh, y'all can't see. It's literally 9:26 right now. It was just 9:25, but yeah. And I gotta put my Apple Watch on. And smells for today. I think I'm just gonna put on. No, I ain't even gonna put that on. I think I'm gonna just put on. What is these? Right here. These oil sticks on the beach. I want to put on pink sugar, but it's in my purse, and I don't feel like getting it out right now. So let me just go rub. You ain't gotta rub the beach in, bro. I'm gonna put some on my knees where my skin that's out right here. Rub some on there. Some on there. Some right here, some right here, some over here, some over here, and I put some on my neck and stuff. So yeah, that's all we doing with that today. And to go with it, I think I'm gonna spray. Normally I spray vanilla over it, or like I spray this bean vanilla over it. So that's what I'm gonna spray over it. Like, you just need a little, just need a little. And I normally don't even spray that over. I don't forget what I spray over it. Like, I forgot. I still gotta pack my lunchbox and stuff, y'all. So I got 30 minutes to do that. I did do my makeup today, but as you can tell, I didn't do too much makeup. Like, it's very much giving, whatever. I do got some blush on, you can tell that. But I did do my makeup, and it's not bad. Like, it's not makeup to the point where I got a full face of makeup on like yesterday. Like, no man, because hey, so like I told y'all, we putting the dunks on or whatever. Damn, Putting dunks on, putting dunks on, putting dunks on, putting dunks on. Ooh. Oh yeah, I don't think I told y'all, but I broke a nail the other day at practice trying to do flag work. That shit crazy. Meanwhile, while I wait on somebody to text me back, y'all pretty much seen the outfit. I'm finna go pack my lunchbox and shit because, yeah. And it's Friday, so this the end of this video, like, dead ass. But I'm finna, oh yeah, y'all, what happened to my lashes is yesterday night, or no, the other night, apparently I ended up pulling my lashes out while I was asleep. But y'all know I've been sick, like, this whole entire school week. And I don't know what was up Wednesday night. But I was extremely sick. I mean, nose stopped up, couldn't breathe. Like, I feel like I need to go to the hospital. So, I guess I was just so irritated, like, just over it. And I ended up putting my lashes off. I don't remember. Whatever. Cause all I know, I woke up that one of my lashes was gone. So, I just said, fuck it. And, yeah, that's that. So, I did put on scripts yesterday. But today, I'm going basically real natural. Like, no lashes. Just a little bit of makeup. And yeah, normally it take me 30 minutes to do my makeup. It literally only took me 15 minutes to do this little light natural face or whatever, which you barely can tell. Like, you can tell I did my you know I got blush on and stuff like that, but yeah. But other than that, y'all, this the end of this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, y'all. Stay tuned to my next video to get the how was my first week of school type video. So yeah, if I wasn't busy this weekend, I will be filming this weekend, but I'm so busy I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick up the camera. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. So yeah, honey, bye bestie.
Only been days, but it felt like months.